What does the make money online niche look like today? Imagine a massive battlefield filled with noise, where thousands of voices are constantly screaming over one another. I made $10,000 in a week. Buy my course. Secret system. Banks hate this trick. Work 10 minutes a day and get rich. Everywhere you look, people are selling illusions. Most of what's being offered is nothing but smoke and hype designed to trap desperate beginners. For newcomers, it feels like walking blindfolded through a storm. They no longer know who to trust because everyone claims to have the ultimate shortcut to wealth. Now imagine something completely different entering that chaotic world. Created by the genius Ash Mufareh, a man determined to build a company that is easy to use, affordable for everyone, and designed to solve the problems internet marketers struggle with every day. No screaming, no flashy advertisements, no fake millionaire lifestyle, no guru standing next to a rented Lamborghini trying to sell the illusion of success. Yet somehow, despite remaining quiet, this venture continues to grow. Like a snowball rolling down a mountain, it gains momentum day after day, becoming bigger, stronger, and impossible to ignore. And beneath that unstoppable growth lies something even more powerful, a foundation as solid as rock. No gimmicks, no manipulation, no empty promises, just a real system that genuinely works. What makes this venture different is its simplicity and honesty. Most make money online products today do not actually sell real results. They sell hope wrapped in marketing hype, recycled video courses, or another secret formula presented as revolutionary, when in reality it is simply the same information repackaged for the 100th time. This venture takes the exact opposite approach. Instead of confusion, it provides clarity. A simple step-by-step system that even a complete beginner can follow without feeling overwhelmed. Just a straightforward process. Do this, then this, then this, and watch the results compound over time. Mr. Ash Mufareh also created a free educational platform called Victory with Ash, designed to help people master e-commerce without paying outrageous amounts for overpriced courses. Suddenly, the industry's biggest gurus begin to look painfully overpriced. Their polished marketing and dramatic promises start to feel empty and outdated. Many of them begin panicking and copying the language of this new venture, suddenly describing themselves as simple, honest, and beginner-friendly because the market finally remembers what authenticity truly feels like. Smaller creators and mid-level marketers quietly begin recommending it to their audiences, not through loud promotions, but through genuine curiosity and respect. They say things like, "I normally don't share things like this, but this actually works." Forums filled with skeptical users explode with discussions. People who expected another scam begin posting screenshots of their first real earnings. Comments such as, "I thought it was fake, but I made my first $300 this week," or "Who are these people and why is nobody talking about them?" spread rapidly across communities that are usually difficult to impress. Within months, this quiet, unknown venture becomes the benchmark everyone secretly compares themselves against. And when beginners ask, "What's the most honest way to start making money online?" people no longer mention the loudest gurus. Instead, they answer with the same mysterious response. "You know that one nobody talks loudly about? That one." And the reason it works so powerfully is because it combines two rare qualities, almost never found together in the MMO world: the snowball and the rock. The snowball represents momentum. Every user achieves a small success, tells a friend, and that friend succeeds too. The system continues learning, improving, and refining itself through real user results. Trust compounds naturally. Growth creates even more growth without relying on massive ad campaigns or fake scarcity tactics. But the rock is what makes this venture truly dangerous to competitors. While everyone else changes their secret methods every month just to sell another course, this venture remains grounded in one proven framework that consistently delivers results. No chasing shiny objects, no endless reinvention, Just a clear and reliable path from $0 to the first $100, then $500, and far beyond. At first, the major players in the industry ignore it. No influencers, no giant launches, no flashy marketing campaigns. Easy to dismiss. But after a short time, the shift becomes impossible to ignore. More creators begin changing their marketing messages. Review websites rank this unknown venture at the top, even though it never paid for exposure. Massive platforms like ClickBank, Udemy, and Teachable begin reaching out, asking the venture to sell through them. Some loud gurus openly attack it, saying it's too simple to work. Others secretly buy it themselves just to understand why people are obsessed with it. Most importantly, beginners finally get something they've been missing for years: a safe, clear, and honest place to start. No fear of getting scammed, no confusion caused by conflicting advice, no pressure to become a fake entrepreneur overnight. Just a quiet, rock-solid path forward. And that is why this venture ultimately wins. Not because it screams louder than everyone else, but because it genuinely helps real people. It doesn't need to fight for attention or rely on manipulation. Its results speak for themselves. And one day, the entire industry, including those who never saw it coming, will look up and realize that the quiet snowball became a mountain.